Alhamdulillah.
Yarhamakallah.
Editor, cut it out.
Actually, you know what? Sorry to cut you off. Let's not even cut out him sneezing if that's okay.
Yeah.
Because good deeds, even the small ones, as long as they're repetitive. And for example, you sneeze and you said Alhamdulillah, I said Yarhamakallah. That's a good habit to have. You can expand on that what that means, just so you guys can see small good deed. That's actually a good thing to do.
When somebody sneezes, it's from the sunnah that they say Alhamdulillah, and they have the haqq on the other Muslims to say Yarhamakallah, to make dua for mercy for them.
But you see, small good deed. I'm trying to collect good deeds. Take
Allahu
it.
Akbar.
I'll take it.